Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Mike. So this week we went down to Cheetle, Alberta to see the statue that Pepsico has put up. I don't quite know how to describe it. It is a large monument that is currently in Alberta. Apparently November 4th it's gonna start making its way across the country. Yeah. Hopefully you like the video. Share the video with a friend who you think might want to make a road trip with you down to Cheetle, Alberta to see a 17-foot high Cheeto. This is a weird one. If you don't mind, on your way out of the video, if you could click on one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up. It lets me and YouTube know I'm doing a good job. Subscribe if that's something you're into. And you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So until next time, bye-bye.